Hi, this is your brother Obet from the Philippines. I want to greet my friend Christopher Tupper who are living in Canada. I'm praying for your good health and also for the good health and welfare of your family there in Canada. I'm greeting my father, Robert Sousa Sr., who is living in USA, and my cousin and my relative. Good morning to all my friends in USA, Canada, and Saudi Arabia, and all the Filipinos all over the world. You see, this is my garden. This is very beautiful. We called it kamote tops. I'm planting many kamote tops here. I'm planning to sell it in the market or in the mercados. And I have also here